Now I gotta ride or die.
Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to fix scratched and bad looking buttons on your climate control module, so it will become from this to this. As you can see, the difference is extraordinary and it cost me only €4. I bought stickers for my climate control module from eBay. So, to start off, we're going to remove the actual buttons from the climate control module. I used a tiny flat screwdriver to do this, but you can try using something else. Some of the buttons are harder to remove than the others, but after a few tries I managed to get them all out. I also scratched a few of them while removing, but it's not a big deal. And all of them are out. It's time for step 2. Let's cut every sticker out separately. Now clean the surface of every button with rubbing alcohol to remove any remaining oils. By doing that, the stickers will stick firmly. I also used a knife to cut any plastic that was sticking out. To put stickers on the buttons easier, I use clear tape on the non-sticking side of the sticker, and then remove the sticker from the paper it came in. As you can see, I applied the tape on top of the sticker. Then rub the tape on the sticker. Now I remove the paper that sticker came in. It might take a try or two. See, the sticker is now on the tape itself, that way it is easier to apply it on the button. I am making sure which way it must be applied. Okay, let's put the sticker on the button. Once it's on, rub it in with your fingers to stick it better. And now remove the clear tape. Once the tape is removed, rub it a bit more. And repeat the process on all the buttons. You can reuse your cut clear tape a few times. If you stick it somehow wrong, just take it off and try again. Just remember, it doesn't have to be perfectly aligned, you almost can't notice the difference. Once you are done with all of the buttons, I suggest you to use a black permanent marker to cover all the white spots on the buttons. Now the button looks like brand new. Repeat the process on all the buttons again. Now all of them look like new. But wait, there is one more step to make the stickers last longer. Use a heat gun on the stickers to make the adhesive stick to the button better, and repeat this step on all the buttons. And finally, it's time to remember where all the buttons go and put them back in. Hope this video helps you, and thanks for watching.